What do you mean by attitude?
Attitude means your outlook towards life. People think it's more about yourself, but no, it's more about people around you, making other people smile, caring about them. That is what I call as attitude.
It's a state of mind.
Attitude is something that you have that you display to the other people around you so they can judge you for something.
It's nothing but just my personality, how I have been brought up. That's all.
Attitude is being who you are at difficult situations and showing what you're made of, what you think, how you deal with situations and stuff like that.
Attitude is basically how it defines a person. It is a way of life. All the actions that you do.
Attitude is something that a person possesses, the way you carry yourself and the way you portray yourself, basically.
Attitude is what makes you, like everything that you are is basically attitude.
Attitude is basically how you you can't define attitude as such. You can't define attitude as such, but everyone has it. Everyone has a different attitude to others, a different attitude towards themselves. So attitude is basically something that everyone has.
Do you think positive attitude is considered overconfidence?
People do tend to think that yes, positive attitude may be overconfident, but no. It's about thinking good for yourself and for others in your life.
Shouldn't be, and it is not.
It's definitely not, because if you have positive attitude, the way you put yourself out to people is more like, it matters a lot on you.
No, not at all. Attitude, if very heavily brought on, is overconfidence.
Not necessarily, I guess. No, I don't think positive attitude is required.
Sometimes maybe, but that depends on how much attitude, like what kind of attitude you project. If it is the right amount of positive attitude, I don't think so.
Positive attitude is overconfidence. They're two different things. When you have a positive attitude towards things, you're more warm and lively.
Yes, I do think that positive attitude can be perceived as overconfidence, but positive attitude can also be something that is between two friends, and then it enhances the friendship, because when you show positive attitude towards another person, it may build a friendship and may enhance your friendship. Yeah,
I agree with you.
yeah. Friendship, this is positive attitude. See, I have shown a lot of positive attitude towards him.
A lot of positive.
So hence, we are extremely good friends, and yeah. So.
How has VIT changed your attitude towards life?
VIT has made me learn and to have a wider outlook towards life, to think in a broad way.
VIT has made me a more negative person.
Towards life,
Towards a general state of being.
but I can talk about my professional life. Yeah. By being a very structured institution, by being a bit of order among the kind of chaos around us, it has brought in a sense of hope, especially in terms of research.
Things that basically your college life is like a very important part of your life, like the most important part of your life, I'd say. And a lot of things that you learn here. Basically what VIT taught the two of us is like, we like helping people, and that's one very important aspect of our life that we learned here.
Attitude towards life. It have given me an opportunity. Same thing as sir said, given me opportunity to grow in research, to have a new idea in that.
Not much, because I think more all I've gained is more confidence, VIT life and staying on my own. But my attitude, I think I've become more open-minded to everything.
As in, the way I behave now has been the way I've been behaving before VIT. So it's not really changed anything.
How
It greatly affects the student's life, and it makes you more studious, and it develops a positive attitude in you.
How has VIT changed your attitude towards life?
I don't think it has changed my attitude too much, because me coming from like a place like Chennai, it hasn't changed my attitude too much, but yeah, it has made me look at things in a different way, in a more positive way.
Well, see, basically you meet people who show positive attitude towards you, like both of them. So once you show that positive attitude to them, then positive and positive makes more positive. What's negative, da? Hey, shut up, da. It doesn't know mathematics. So more the positive attitude, more the environment to like make nice friendship with people like this guy. So VIT is a good place which has a lot of positive energy. You can inculcate positive attitude in your life by asking such questions and projecting yourselves to phones and videos. And
By spreading social awareness.
yeah, and like making friends.
Like how we are doing it.
Okay, and
VIT has made me see the different kinds of people that different ways the different kind of people that are there.
how can you inculcate positive attitude in your everyday life?
By inculcating good habits and thinking good things.
In my life, I think I already have a positive attitude if it is not arrogance, as I earlier said.
A kind of inculcating positive attitude is maybe yoga, meditation.
Taking constructive criticism and the like.
Positive attitude to have an interaction with the people, more people. Every day have a word with many people. Learn something out of them.
And
Probably by looking at things in a more broader way and working towards things like that.
and how can you maintain a positive attitude during adverse times?
Just believing that everything is for the good would do.
Optimism, talking to more people and developing a more widespread attitude.
And how do you maintain a positive attitude during hard times?
Keeping your cool and making the right decisions and making sure it benefits not only you but everyone else around.
Same again. I write a lot. I get my positivity up by that.
Basically, having a positive mindset, thinking positively probably will do. Yeah, so I'm guessing that's it.
And how can you maintain a positive attitude during adverse situations?
During adverse situations, it's all in your, like the way you think. If it's positive, you will maintain a positive attitude. Not losing hope is another thing.
Keep my mind set on the larger picture, the bigger goal, and do not concentrate on the minor setbacks. So therefore you wouldn't have to make an effort to maintain a positive attitude. It'll just flow in.
How do you maintain a positive attitude during adverse situations?
Being calm, being cool and taking one step at a time would probably work.
You can by doing things like thinking not thinking about the negative things about people, by not getting angry with small stupid things which happen, the small trivial things that people do and the small trivial fights that you have, by not letting them sink in, you develop a sort of positive attitude over time.
Be calm and composed and have self-confidence in you. That's it.
Basically, it just comes from within. It's all about mental peace. Like they say that if you are absolutely okay, if you have mental peace, there's nothing in this world that can stop you. So.
It's the same thing. I don't think we should differentiate positive attitude based on different situations.
Yeah, you still have to stay calm and face the situation head on.
We're done. Thank you. Stay positive.